everyone. Good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine today. Students, today we will do lesson number 17 from English language book. So open your page number 46 and your lesson name is was and were. Today, firstly I will explain it to you and then after we will do their exercises. So open your book page number 46 and let's start with me. Let's start with me, students. Lesson number 17. Here its name is was and were. Now read the definition with me. We use was and were in place of is, am and are when we talk of something that happened or was before now. Student, this definition means that we use was and were in place of is, am or are when we are talking about something that has happened in the past or is in past tense. Okay? Now let's start its examples. Yesterday it was clear at this time. It means we are talking about yesterday. It was clear at this time. Not today, it was not clear. But yesterday it was clear. Okay? Here also we use was. I was in first standard last year. In this year, I am in second standard. But last year I was in first standard. We were in Delhi last week. We were in Delhi last week. Last week we were in Delhi, but not this week. Okay. They were in the playground last evening. They were in the playground last evening. But this evening they were not in playground. This evening they were in somewhere. Okay? Now we will do their exercises. First exercise, student, it is your first exercise number A. Fill in the blanks with was or were. Student, this exercise you will do, it will be done in our book only. Okay? And B number exercise is done in your copy, not in the book. Mention the CW and date here on exercise number A. Fill in the blanks with was or were. Number first sentence is, yesterday Sonil was in Shimla. Again, yesterday was birthday of Anam, Sonil's friend. Sonil missed Anam's birthday because he dash in Shimla. So we will use here with he was. Okay? Here we will use was with he. He was in Shimla. Okay? Now number 2. Last week was Anurag's match. Anurag was ill last week. We are talking about last week. Anurag missed his match because he dash ill. So we will use here again was. Because he was ill. Now number 3. Abha and Anushka went to play in the ground. Abha and Anushka's uncle came to their home. Abha and Anushka could not meet their uncle because they dash in the ground. We will always use were with the they. Okay? We will use here were, not was. I think you all have to understood it. And now we are doing number B exercise in our copy, CW copy, okay? Okay student, it is our CW page. Now open your copies and mention the CW and date over there. After that you will write your lesson number and lesson name also. Number B exercise, because we have not done exercise A in our copy. It is done only in your book. Number B exercise heading is tick the correct word between was and were. Okay, it is our heading. Now number 1 sentence is we was oblique were happy to see them. THEM. Now number 2 she were oblique was in my class last year. Okay. Now number 3 Rakshit and Prakshit was oblique were my good friends in first class. Okay, now number 4 who were oblique was your English teacher in first class? Question mark. Okay. Number 5 when were oblique was your birthday? When were was your birthday? Question mark. Number 6 I was oblique were not in this city last year. Okay. Now, students, now we will do this exercise by taking the correct word between was and were. We was happy to see them, or we were happy to see them. It will be correct answer, so we will tick here like this. Okay. Number 2, she were in my class last year. She was in my class last year. So we will choose this word for our correct answer. You will tick like this. Number 3, Rakshit and Prikshit was my good friends in first class, or Rakshit or Prikshit were my good friends in first class. It will be our correct answer. Rakshit and Prikshit were. So we will tick like this. Number 4, who were your English teacher in first class, or who was your English teacher in first class? Who was your English teacher in first class? Do you remember? Okay. Number 5, when were your birthday, or when was your birthday? Here we will tick on the word was like this. When was your birthday? It is our correct answer. Number 6, I was not in this city last year, or I were not in this city last year. So we will tick here, I was not in this city last year, and we will tick like this. Okay, students, it is your CW. You will do it by good handwriting and show it to me as soon as possible. Now it is your homework part. Read and learn. Lesson 17 with exercise A and B properly. Okay, thank you.